Welcome back into this afternoon's video. Very late with this afternoon's video cast. Got a very quiet spell coming up, so I think you had to whiz through these charts very quickly. Fortunately, high press could have dominated, but it's not in a particularly exciting position. It's out to the west of the country, which means winds are generally from a westerly, northwesterly sort of direction, which isn't, as I say, a particularly exciting direction to get heat waves and sort of thunderstorms. You're going to get high pressure to the east. So the position that high pressure's in, there's a lot of dry weather coming up, and it's going to be a case of watching cloud floating around, seeing the temperatures going up and down. Really, that's about as interesting as it's going to get for the next 5 days. Before I get on with the 5-day forecast, so just to make sure advertising this video ad, so my page is at GazRubbies.com. Hit play on the video ad. You'll be supporting GazWeatherVids.com. Thanks very much for doing that. And the websites I'm using for the video, we've got the charts.d and weatheroutlook.com. You'll find a link to both of those websites on links page. We're not using the radar pictures today because there's nothing really to see, although there is one or two showers down in the southeast. It will be very hard for you to make them out, so I'm not going to bother. So let's get on with the charts, and here we go for today. High pressure's out to the west of the country, bringing down this gentle sort of northerly, northwesterly flow. Highest temperatures today going to be unusually for southwest Scotland and Northern Ireland, where we could hit 27 degrees. That's 81 Fahrenheit. We had a lot of cloud this morning. Much of that is breaking up. And there'll be some decent sunny spells coming through for the afternoon. Weather really is set there. I say one or two showers in the southeast, but I think they're not going to amount to too much at all. Temperatures in the south probably going to down 22 or 23 degrees. As we go through into tonight, we're going to find mainly dry conditions persisting, although we could bring a weather front down across Scotland and Northern England. In fact, we'll bring a weather front down across Scotland and Northern England, and it could have some showers with it. It's going to sort of change the feel of the weather for the north, so temperatures will drop a little bit, and it'll feel cooler tomorrow as well. But generally quite a warm and muggy night, actually, with temperatures holding up in double figures for most parts of the country. And after clear spells start off, I think many places will turn cloudy through the course of the night. As we move through into Thursday, we're going to drop that front down across the country. Very weak feature, but it could bring some showers across England and Wales through the morning in particular, and then brighter skies should edge down through the afternoon. After a cloudy start for Scotland, Northern Ireland and Northern England, it should brighten up. The cloudiest conditions will always be around the eastern coast of Scotland and England. What you can notice tomorrow in the north is that temperatures will be lower, so gone are the 27s today across southwest Scotland. Will be nearer 20 or 21. Still pretty good for the time of year, but certainly cooler and fresher compared to what we've got today. Temperatures in the south probably around 22 or 23. As we go through into Friday, it's no real change really. The high pressure is nosing in. We could bring more little weather systems into the far north and northeast of Scotland, bring some cloud and showers there. But otherwise, I think you have quite a cloudy start. Then some get to work to calm that cloud. We have some sunny spells coming through for the afternoon, and temperatures will be up to around 22 or 23 degrees. As we go through into the weekend, you may find temperatures lifting up a little bit in the south. So Saturday, you could see temperatures up to 24 degrees and maybe some cloud and showers across Scotland and northeastern England, but otherwise mainly dry conditions through Saturday with fairly reasonable sunny spells, though there will be cloud banks floating around as well, and actually pinpointed where those cloud banks are going to be is really going to be a bit of a nightmare. This far out from that anyway. Temperatures, as I say, could get up to 24 in the south, but otherwise going to be around 20, 21. Very pleasant sort of fair weather. And as we move through into Sunday, well, there's no real change actually for Sunday. We're seeing mainly dry conditions here across many parts of the country. There could be some showers again in the north, and maybe a few more coming down the eastern coast through the course of the day. But otherwise, a lot of dry weather through the course of the sunny. Temperatures maybe hitting 25 or 26 in the south, so if anything, the temperatures are edging up a little bit over the weekend in the south. That's around 79 Fahrenheit, something like that, but a lot of dry and fair weather sort of conditions as we're moving through into the weekend. And as we go through into Monday, we're going to find cloud and showers ready for northern and eastern parts of the country with these little weather fronts here. So, yeah, it could be a little bit unsettled in the north and the east by the time we get through to Monday, maybe some showers, but driest, brightest weather down in the south and the southwest. and temperature perhaps lowering a little bit again as well, maybe up to around 23 or 24, something like that. It isn't a terribly exciting 5-day period, forecast period coming up. I'm sure you get the impression of that. Here we go with weatheroutlook.com. I think these showers across England and Wales are very much overdone for today. Most places are going to have a dry day today with good sunny spells. As you go through into Thursday, that weak front is coming southwards, lowering the temperature a little bit, maybe producing a few showers in the southeast, but most places will be dry. You'll notice the drop in temperature in the north from today. As we move through into Friday, mostly dry conditions, could be showers scattered about, but many places dry and fine, as is the case on Saturday. And ditto for Sunday. It's going to be mainly dry on Sunday. Could be a few showers again in the north and the east, but most places will be fine, with sunny spell coming through, also watching cloud floating around, and there may be a greater risk of showers in the north and the east as we move through into Monday. But otherwise, temperatures are lifting up a little bit over the weekend, particularly in the south. Could get quite warm. So in summary, well, it's not a particularly exciting period coming up. We're going to have a lot of dry weather, and it's a case of watching the cloud floating around, watching the temperatures going up and down, but really the weather's set there. So if you've got any outdoor plans, it's very good news with a lot of dry and fine conditions. That's it for now. Thanks for watching the 5-day forecast.